Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and Namaskar. Friends, let me introduce first. My name is Amjad Hussain Talukdar and I will be teaching English. So friends, on behalf of Ajmal College of Arts, Commerce and Science, I would like to welcome you all to this beautiful prestigious institution. Friends, as you all know, this time you don't have alternative English as an MIL, so you have to study Assamese, Bengali or Hindi. So English, you have the core subject. This is your core subject, so you have to study. This is mandatory. So I have prepared this video regarding your course content. I will explain everything in details. What are the topics you have to study, you have to learn, because you will get lots of topic in the book, but which chapter is important for you, which chapter is in your syllabus, you have to know, and that is why I have prepared this video. So it's my request to all, please watch the video till the end. So friends, let me introduce your book. You have two books for English. This is your one, Hornbill. This is your book, Hornbill. And again you will get one more book that is called Snapshot. So I will explain everything in details. What are the topics you need to study, which one is not need to study. So friends, in the very beginning, we'll start the topic that is called the portrait of a lady. So this is the split of syllabus. I'll share in details. I will give this video, give this split of syllabus in PDF format or in JPG file. So we'll start. The first topic is the portrait of a lady. Okay, so this is a chapter lesson. So after this lesson we'll start a poem called A Photograph. What is the name of the poem? A Photograph. A Photograph will complete. After completion of this poem A Photograph, we'll start one more poem from your book, The Voice of the Rain. The Voice of the Rain will complete. Okay, so after Voice of the Rain, we'll take one more topic from your grammar section. Very common topic, you are well aware of it. It's called tense. We'll start discussing the topic tense. Okay, we'll explain in details everything. After tense, we'll start factual description. Factual description from your writing skill. Okay. So after factual description, you have to appear your unit test. First unit test. There will be first unit test. Covering all this topic, the portrait of a lady, photograph, voice of the rain and tense. Okay, after unit test 1, we will start one more chapter that is called landscape of the soul. Landscape of the soul will start. After landscape of the soul, we will start the ailing planet. The ailing planet, the green movement's role. And again, after that, we will start one more topic from your grammar section. It's called determiners, and the determiners will start. After determiners, we will start from grammar section one more topic. This is called modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries will start. After modal auxiliaries, we will start one more topic from your writing skill, that is called formal letters. That means how to write a formal letter, how to write a job application, how to write letter to the editor. Will take your class. I will take your class specially, and I will give you the easy way, the simple way to write the application. After this, we'll start a very interesting lesson, Ranga's marriage. We'll start Ranga's marriage. Okay. After Ranga's marriage, my impression of Assam. I'll start my impression of Assam. Okay. After this topic, my impression of Assam, we'll start comprehension of unseen passage. Comprehension of unseen passage means you will get a long passage, you already know it. You will get a long passage and below you will get few questions. You have to prepare the questions, answer from the questions, and you have to write in the exam. Isn't it? So this is comprehension of unseen passage. After comprehension of unseen passage, our topic will be speech writing. The way we deliver a speech. For example, Independence Day, we deliver a speech. So in the same way, you have to learn how to deliver a speech. After speech writing, one more topic, very interesting, article writing. We'll start article writing. After articulating your second unit test, there will be your unit test 2. Unit test 2. After unit test 2 or second unit test, we'll start Albert Einstein at school. Albert Einstein at school is the topic, is the chapter, is the lesson. After Albert Einstein school, we'll start one more topic from your writing skill part, that is called report writing. How to write a report. Something happened yesterday, one incident happened, accident happened. You have to write a report like a reporter. So this is in your syllabus, you have to learn. After report writing, we'll start paragraph writing. Paragraph writing will start. Okay. So after paragraph writing, we'll start one more very interesting topic from your grammar section, that is transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentences will start. After transformation of sentences, we'll get a very interesting poem. The poem name is Childhood. Childhood is the poem. We'll start. After childhood, we'll start note making. How to make notes. Okay, how to make notes. I will give you the details idea. I will explain in the class in details regarding how to write note making. And after note making, I'll start error correction. You will get wrong sentence, some error sentences, you have to correct it. So how to correct the sentence, we'll explain in the class, we'll discuss in the class. After error correction, we'll start one more topic, that is called father to son, a very interesting poem, the relation between father to son. The title is father to son. We'll start. Okay. After father to son, we'll start one more topic from grammar section, that is rearranging of words. That means jumble words. You will get different wrong, like for example, he is a student. This is your sentence. You will get student, he is. You have to make it he is a student, like this. Okay, so these are the syllabus I have completed, and after that we will complete our whole syllabus. And after completion of whole syllabus, we'll start doubt clearing session. For example, you have doubts on note making, you have doubts on father to son, we'll start the same topic again. So friends, one thing I would like to tell you, don't think कि most of the students, they think like I am from vernacular medium, like Assamese medium, Hindi medium. Medium is not a problem, and we are witness, we are experienced, we have seen most of the vernacular medium students, they perform very well in the exam. So that is up to you, how you motivate yourself, how you dedicate yourself. Okay, nothing is impossible if you are dedicated. So friends, for Assamese medium students, for Hindi medium students, we'll explain everything in details in Hindi sometime, in Assamese sometime, for your understanding. Okay. So these are the course content, the split up syllabus for your English. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. My request to all, please concentrate on your study and give equal priority for all the subjects. Okay. You will definitely achieve more. You will achieve your success. Thank you very much for paying heed to my words.